Welcome to our channel, and today we're going to talk about how to hide someone on Snapchat and avoid those people you don't want to see in your updates. Method 1. Block them. The first method is to just block them. Open Snapchat, go to the chat screen, long press on the person you want to block, select more options, and then click block. Method 2. Delete friends. If you don't want to block someone completely, you can choose to delete them. Open Snapchat, go to the chat screen, long press on the friend you want to delete, select more options, and then click delete. Method 3. Hide chat. Another way is to use the hide chat feature. Open Snapchat, find the person you want to hide, click the more button and choose after viewing or 24-hour after viewing. How to mute someone's story. If you're tired of a friend's story, you can mute their story. Open Snapchat, go to the Friend Stories section, long press on the story symbol of the person you want to mute, select the More option, and then click Mute Story. How to hide your stories. If you want to hide your stories, you can adjust your privacy settings. Open Snapchat, go to Settings, select Privacy, and then change the settings in the Who Can section. How to view someone's Snapchat without their knowledge. You can use MoniMaster Pro, a monitoring tool that can help you monitor Snapchat activity on your target phone. I hope these methods will help you. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.